Our commitment to the environment extends beyond what we do in our facility and into the products we sell. An example is our new briquetting system. By subjecting disintegrated paper waste particles to extreme pressure, cylindrical briquettes are created and waste volume is dramatically reduced. In many cases, the reduction of waste volume can be as much as 9-to-1. The result is improved housekeeping, reduced materials handling, and lower disposal costs. A typical SEM briquetting system consists of the following components: a disintegrator for the destruction of paper waste, a waste collection hopper, and dual hydraulic presses for the creation of briquettes, as well as 2 discharge tubes to evacuate the briquettes. An air system is used to transfer waste from the disintegrator to the briquette hopper, as well as remove any dust particles. What you are looking at is typical of a briquetting system in a high security installation. Notice the large pile of burn bags in the background. Each burn bag is filled with sensitive documents waiting to be destroyed. Workers open the burn bags to ensure they are filled only with paper. The segregated waste is placed on the incline conveyor where it is fed into the disintegrator. Paper falls through the feed chute and into the destruction chamber, where rotating knives pass stationary knives and continuously cut the material into smaller and smaller pieces. When the particles are small enough to pass through a waste sizing screen, they are evacuated to the briquetting press. The air system deposits the particles in the briquetting press hopper. From there, a feed screw conveys them into the compression chamber. Once the material reaches the compression chamber, a hydraulic piston presses it into a cylindrical die, forming the briquette. The briquette is then trimmed by guillotine to approximately 2.5 or 3 inches in length, depending on the system chosen. A horizontally mounted ram pushes the briquette forward, clearing the compression chamber for the next batch of particles. As the process continues, the briquettes are conveyed up the discharge tubes and finally ejected into a collection bin. There are many advantages to the briquetting of waste paper. Waste volume is reduced by up to 90%. The cost to remove waste from your facility is greatly reduced. Because SEM briquetters are a closed system, housekeeping is improved due to the elimination of dust and paper shreds. The chance of accidental combustion is much less with briquettes than with loose waste. Briquettes have true value as an alternative fuel source. Paper briquettes can be sold to many paper mills and have true recycling value.